Hi, this is Joan of Art. Welcome to another edition of your Ilonggo learning series. Bakal ko, tagpila ni are words when you're at the market, supermarket, or grocery store, or even at your local sari-sari store or tiangge, where you're going to buy something. When you want to buy something, you say, mabakal ko. It means I will buy. But the manner of saying it, or the tone of voice that you're going to say it, is mabakal ko. That's the Ilonggo tone. Bakal is to buy, and adding ma before bakal makes it a future tense because you're still going to buy something. And ko is short for ako, meaning I am going to buy. Mabakal ko, but you make it sound like a request. So mabakal ko. And then you can say the item that you want to buy, like mabakal ko tinapay. I'm going to buy bread. It's closest to, can I buy some bread? Mabakal ko tinapay. Or there's also a short way of saying it. All you have to say is bakal, meaning to say buy or let me buy. Important thing to remember is to ask how much. So how much is pila? Pila ni. You can hold the item and say pila ni. It's short for pila ini. Ini is this in Ilonggo. So pila, how much? Ini, this. How much is this? Pointing to that item. Pila na. Pila na. How much is that? And then you can say, Siggy, baklon ko na. Okay, I'll buy that. Sige, okay. Baklon ko na. Baklon is to buy or will buy, and na, that. Okay, I'll buy that, or okay, I'll take that. And then you pay. Bayad. Bayad is pay or payment. Bayad. Bayad o. Here's my payment. O is like here. So you have closed the deal and you're happy with your purchase, and you can say thank you, Salamat, and you're off. So remember those words when you're buying something. I hope you learned something new and useful today. And for more Ilonggo words that you want to try, please drop a comment down below. This is Joan of Art. See you again in our next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye for now.